Welcome to the IBM Data Architecture Professional Certificate Learning Path. This program is designed to build your end-to-end data architecture skills, covering everything from RDBMS to big data, governance, and enterprise design in an instructor-led format. This modular learning path is ideal for aspiring data architects and engineers, DBAs, and BI professionals. It includes 13 core courses, a capstone industry project, and comprehensive career services. Prerequisites are basic programming and SQL familiarity, though not mandatory. Why data architecture now? It is the backbone of the modern digital enterprise, enabling organizations to handle petabyte-scale, governed data across modern tech stacks, like NoSQL and data lakes. Mastering this accelerates time to insight and gives you a competitive edge. The Indian job market shows high growth opportunities in data architecture, with over 11,000 active job openings. Roles like data architect and data platform engineer are in high demand, demonstrating a significant year-over-year salary growth of 35% in this top IT career track. Data architecture and engineering offer substantial salary progression. Adding premium skills like cloud architecture, big data, or data governance can boost your base pay by 15 to 25%. The program prepares you for roles from data engineer to enterprise data architect. The IBM certification provides significant ROI, acting as a strong hiring signal since 87% of managers prioritize certified candidates. The program yields an estimated 18 to 25% salary premium, with a break-even time of around 4 months. The job demand is high, with over 11,000 total jobs. Data engineer and data architect roles constitute 70% of the open positions. Key hiring sectors include BFSI, fintech, tech/cloud, and retail/e-commerce. This structured 6-month learning path is divided into 4 phases. Phase 1 focuses on foundations, covering data engineering fundamentals, RDBMS, SQL, and Linux scripting. The subsequent phases cover core technologies, integration, and a final capstone project. Our graduates have experienced real career transformations with an average of 40% salary hike. Success stories include career switchers, fresh graduates, and senior professionals, all leveraging the comprehensive curriculum and hands-on capstone project. The learning pathway is a structured 13-course journey, starting with foundations in systems and progressing through databases, big data operations, and ultimately, enterprise architecture. The approximate duration is 6 to 8 months, making you job-ready with a strong portfolio. Module 1, Data Engineering Fundamentals, builds the bedrock of modern data architecture. You will master core concepts like data lifecycle, processing paradigms, and storage patterns. Learning outcomes include designing high-level data flow diagrams and evaluating storage trade-offs. Module 2 covers relational database management systems, mastering the backbone of enterprise data. You will study normalization, ACID properties, and indexing strategies. Key skills include ER modeling, schema design, and query planning for optimization. Module 3 focuses on SQL fundamentals with Python. You will bridge database management with programmatic analysis, covering advanced SQL retrieval, aggregation logic, and window functions. Python integration includes database connectors and leveraging pandas for analysis. Module 4 introduces Linux, Shell, and Bash scripting, essential for automation. You will master the file system, permissions, and process management. Technical skills include writing reusable Bash scripts and scheduling recurring tasks with cron. Module 5, RDBMS Database Administration, ensures the stability and security of relational systems. You will learn about backup and recovery, high availability, and replication models. Operational skills cover performance tuning and implementing role-based access control. Module 6 explores data warehouses and BI analytics, focusing on scalable systems for decision support. You will study dimensional modeling, OLAP versus OLTP, and slowly changing dimensions. You will learn to design efficient ETL workflows and create performant dashboards. Module 7 covers NoSQL databases, enabling polyglot persistence. You will master core models like document and graph databases, and learn design strategies like sharding and the CAP theorem to optimize performance. Module 8 focuses on ETL and data pipelines, architecting robust automation and real-time streams. This includes workflow orchestration with Airflow DAGs, event-driven architecture using Kafka, and Bash automation. Module 9 dives into Spark and Hadoop for big data analytics, mastering distributed computing. Key concepts include HDFS, Spark architecture, and lazy evaluation. You will develop efficient ETL jobs using PySpark data frames and tune applications for resource efficiency. Module 10 addresses applied data integration, storage, and migration at enterprise scale. You will study integration patterns, change data capture, and storage tiering. Outcomes include planning secure, zero downtime migrations, and designing cost-effective storage. Module 11 focuses on data privacy, governance, risk, and compliance, crucial for building trust. You will learn governance frameworks, regulatory compliance like the DPDP Act, and technical skills such as metadata management and data lineage. Module 12, Enterprise Data Architecture, covers design blueprints and operations. You will explore Lambda, Kappa, and mesh patterns and implement data SRE practices. Outcomes include designing end-to-end platform blueprints and setting up full-stack data observability. Module 13 is the Capstone project, where you architect a complete end-to-end data platform solution based on a real-world use case. Deliverables include architecture blueprints, functional pipelines, and a governance strategy, culminating in a professional portfolio. The program provides hands-on proficiency with the modern data architecture ecosystem. You will use industry-standard tools including Python, SQL, Bash, Postgres, NoSQL databases like Mongo and Cassandra, Hadoop, Spark, Kafka, Airflow, and Docker. The certificate prepares you for high-demand roles such as data architect, data engineer, platform engineer, and BI architect. These roles are critical across key hiring sectors, including BFSI, healthcare, e-commerce, and consulting. Comprehensive placement support is provided by BIT, including resume building, technical mock interviews with industry mentors, portfolio review, and exclusive job alerts. This structured pathway guides you from skill mastery to securing your offer. Start your data architecture journey today. The enrollment process involves application, a counseling session to confirm eligibility, and then full access to the learning portal.